Well, hello and welcome back to another RV walkthrough. As always, my name's Taylor Quayle. We're here at Podata RV Center down in Tucson, Arizona. Starting to warm up here, but today we're going to look at a 2020 Winnebago Spyder 23FS. It's a single slide out. That slide's actually for the closet toy hauler. And it's a double axle. Weighs 9,995 pounds. Loaded. So very nice. So we're going to give it a full exterior walk, check out some of the options it has, check out the interior, and go from there. So let's start right here on the passenger side up front. Upgraded 5500 Onan EVAP genset. Cummins Onan. Show you the hours once we head inside. Like I said, one slide, gear driven slide, is for the closet in the bedroom. Got stab jacks down below, exhaust for that generator, and then of course midship dump station, which I like. Now it's originally came 30 amp, 50 amp was an upgrade, second AC was an upgrade, and that does have all this. Then you got back of the fridge, potable water, furnace, and then your cargo windows. I got this docking door inside, just got to be remounted. Fuel fill, dispenser shut off, and then behind there is your actual pump station. Tires, 235 80R 16s. They are dated 46 week of 2013. Got some Rainer STs right there. All right. Now, being a toy hauler, we got the drop down back right here. And I would have it dropped all the way down already, but this other propane tank's in the way. But we can still drop it down. It's a spring assisted door, so it's not crazy heavy by any means. You do it with one hand here, slowly comes down, and it will stop right there. But it will go all the way down. You can see you have the other option, which is kind of your patio fencing, which will go in right here. They're not always on the door. I like and hate that. A little bit more of a pain to set up, but if you're ever going to be putting a toy in here, it'll hell of a lot easier when they're not already connected. All right, let me put this up really quick. I'll be right back. All right, back in place. Doesn't have a backup camera, but does have a spot for one if you want to get it. Electric awning does come out a bit further than this, but you know, we got this fence in the way, so didn't want to damage anything. Full fiberglass exterior, a couple speakers up above that window, and then a backer location. You can mount a TV out here if you really wanted to, or put a mount up there to put a TV. And then you also got the solid steps right here, 4 steps going in. This whole mechanism does fold up, not fold up, but pretty much fold in inside the door for storing and traveling. Dometic water heater right there, and then got some storage. So small stuff right here. This does lift up to give you some more capability of tall storage, but then how far deep does this guy go? Not bad at all. Got a little light, and that light switch is for the LEDs up front. As you can see, price on there, $39,998 is what we're selling this guy for. Electric hitch up front. Extra big propane tanks, and then single battery right there under that cover. And then last but not least, got the roof, which has another option up there. A little noisy up here with the ACs running because, like I said, it's hot. But you can see 2 roof-mounted solar panels. So very nice. Another option for this coach was a solar kit. All right, got that awning in. Let's head inside. So right when you walk in, you're greeted with some controls. I need 2 hands to shut this door. Hold on. All right, back at it. Right when you walk in, you are greeted with your main control panel. First things first, 30.6 hours on the genset. Slide control. These are other slides for other options. Second awning, same concept, but your main awning control. Lights, water heater, solar controller. And this is what you see right when you walk in. Looks a little cramped in here with everything stored up and everything in here, but we're still going to give it a full walkthrough. Bedroom, bathroom that way. So, first up, you got to watch this corner. I just banged my head so damn hard on that thing. But we got some overhead storage. I like how lifted up it is in case you are trying to put, you know, some type of side-by-side in here. Lots of that tall people storage. Tall storage. All right, so little table right here can be detached. Same concept with those two tables right here. Those are two separate tables, as you can see. And then I got a small complaint with the way that the fence is set up. It's not on the door, so it is kind of in the way if you are going to take it out for storage, or, you know, be putting some type of toy in here. So yeah, small complaint, but what are you going to do? And then of course, spare tire. They wanted a spare, but there's nowhere to mount it outside, so they got it there. I told you we got that docking station panel. Now those two are couches. They can completely lay flat. They can go all the way up and go to this here bed up top. And that bed will also come down. One of those big old queen beds right there. All right. Bed lift controls and thermostat right there on that wall. Your other thermostat for that second AC is located right there. Before I forget, let's take a peek at the printouts. Let's get that out of the sun. So there's all our info on it. And then your actual floor plan, that one right there. And then there's the options that came with this coach. Pretty much everything that was available and standard features. Last but not least, top line, the white line, weights and measurements if you want to pause that and read through it. I'll put all my info on the screen. If you have any questions, you are welcome to reach out to me. I can send you a copy of that brochure so you can look at it yourself. Next up, your kitchen. Big old TV mounted right there. Insignia, probably a 40-inch with that Jensen kind of multimedia device, Bluetooth, HDMI. Got a CD or a DVD input right there. Tie downs all the way to the front of the kitchen. Very cool. We do have a little bit of pantry storage just to the right of the fridge. And then that thing, really tall person storage. I can't even see what's up. It looks dusty. It looks like most people don't use that. And then of course, a refrigerator and freezer. You gotta watch out. The handle will hit. It's not directly on the screen. It's on the frame of the TV, but still, if you open that quick, try to grab a beer or something, keep an eye out. Breaker box down below. Stainless steel options. Stainless steel oven, microwave, and hood. All options for the coach. Standard microwave because it does have the oven. Glass panel, 3-burner stovetop. Suburban. And then just to the left, right above the sink, nice glass panel cabinets. Some good storage. It's got a couple buttons on it to change from rinse to direct pressure. Those are nice and heavy Cornian covers. Break my thumb. Try to grab that a little bit better. And then down below, more storage. A little bit of wear on these lower cabinetry. Kind of expected. Oh, that needs to be adjusted quite a bit actually. I'm sure that was maybe out when they were pulling a toy in or kicked it trying to come out. Who knows? All right, so that's the main kind of galley area. Moving right back here, right past the crazy control panel, bathroom. Bathroom's not bad at all. So a decent amount of room in front of this porcelain toilet. You know, a little bit of counter space, a little sink. Okay, pretty decent sized shower. Now I don't know if I'd always want the seat, but it's nice to have after a long day of riding. You know, just sit there in the cold water, let it rain down on you. Probably feels pretty good. All right, and then we got me. Hello. Oh, geez, get out of there. And then just a little bit teepee storage right there. Probably about 15 rolls. Pull 15 rolls. If you go double size, 5 mega rolls, maybe less. And then back up here a little bit, we've got the bedroom where the slide is. I got to double check on this mattress. If you're interested in knowing the exact size, reach out to me. Contact info down in the description box. Looks like a king. I don't think it's quite as wide as a king, so it might be something a little bit different. Now that's where that outdoor storage is. You got, can you even see that? There we go. USBs, 110s. Oh, baby, wardrobe storage. Oh, unique. So that, okay, that's kind of interesting. So you can store really tall stuff, coats or whatever, and still access it from the outside. That has 2 locks on it. You have to lock it to shut it because it's accessible to the inside of the bedroom. Storage up above. There is that closet slide. Right side is wardrobe. As you can see, left side is not. It's shelves, adjustable shelves. And then only thing on the left side, passenger, another little wardrobe. Actually, I mean, pretty decent amount of closet space in here. It is a little tight in this walk around area. Little side step is needed. I was wondering where that dang ladder was. And there's a ladder for that overhead bunk. And boom, there we go. All we got to do is put some slides in and see what this thing looks like while you are traveling. Now let me tell you, I got both ACs on right now. It's getting up close to 90 degrees in Tucson. It is nice and chilly in here. Be right back. All right, here's the passenger side or curb side. I even put the steps in for you guys. Like I said, they fold inside the door. Got to keep the LEDs on. They look too good. And minus the power cord, everything is in on this side, which is really just that slide out. I'm gonna leave all my description, or I'm gonna leave my description of myself now. Leave all my info in the description box down below. Maybe I can try talking normally. Jeez. If you have any questions on this unit, you're welcome to reach out. I'll leave my cell phone number down there. Call me, text me, page me. I don't have a pager. Don't do that. Let me know how I can help. Or if you're looking for something else you want me to keep an eye out, hey, I'd be more than willing. Let's wait for that motorcycle to pass by. But hey, thanks for viewing. Hopefully it answered a question. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you like watching RV walkthroughs, consider subscribing. I do a whole bunch of these walkthroughs. Every RV that comes in on our lot, I try to shoot a video of and create a couple shorts of. So I'd appreciate it. Thank you so much, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you have a great day.